Okay, hold on for a second.
First time don't have you rest at the street, you know what I mean? You say, hey, pretty girl, where do we know that? So she hurting, I love her, no, she don't care.
It's Lily Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notifications on so you guys know exactly when I upload every single video. Okay, so now today's video is going to be on this gorgeous hair that I did purchase off of Amazon.com. Yes. This is a 1 month update on this hair, and this is the Malaysian Body Wave 24-inch, 150 density, 13 by 6 frontal wig. Okay, so the wig did come with 3 combs, I believe. It did come with 2 combs at the side and also a comb at the back, and also adjustable straps. So now let's go ahead and get into the hair itself. Now it did come pre-plucked, and I absolutely did no plucking to this hair. The only thing that I did was bleach the knots, and I know that sometimes when I do bleach the knots, a little bit of hair from the frontal does fall out, but I did no plucking, you guys. Like, look at this frontal. Like, just look at it. Look at it. I did absolutely no plucking to this hair. So it does come pre-plucked. Okay, so that is a pro to this hair. Now the actual hair itself is amazing. Like, the way how it feels is still soft, and I know that this is just a 1 month update or a 1 month review on this hair, but I always straighten my hair every single day. I'm very rough when it comes to my wigs. I do not take this wig off because obviously it is glued down to my head, so I can't take it off every single night. Some nights I just put it in a ponytail and I just go to sleep and I wake up looking crazy. Okay, so I'm very rough with my hair, and I do that for a reason. I want to know how long the hair will last. Okay, and after, you know, many nights of sleeping with it in a ponytail without it being in a bonnet, and me straightening my hair, applying heat to this hair every single day, this hair has held up so well, and I absolutely loved it. Now, I also did a video on me actually curling this hair, me styling this hair, doing like lazy curling ones, or curling on curls, I should say. But I will also say about this hair that this hair does not hold a curl as well. If you guys go ahead and watch that video of me curling this hair with the curling wand, you will start to see that towards the end, this hair did drop into a beautiful body wave type texture. It was very pretty, but it does not hold a curl that well. Even if I do put in hairspray to hold it, it doesn't hold a curl. But for me, like, curling hair, like, that's not me. I just love wearing my hair straight. So the fact that it dropped, like, it wasn't really like a big deal for me. But if you guys are, or if you girls are the type of, you know, people that loves to wear your hair curly, or you love styling your hair, then I do not recommend getting this hair. But if you guys love straight hair, then definitely go ahead and pick up this hair. Now, like I said before, this is a 24-inch hair, and it does come a little bit the middle of my stomach. That's where it comes. I'm 4'11", yes, I'm very short. Let me show you guys. Hold on for a second. So now you guys can see where it comes. And right here is like the top part of my bottom. So yes, so that's where it comes. So it's pretty long, it's true to length. With this hair, like, it sheds, but only when I'm brushing it out. Like, when I flatten the hair and I'm like finger combing it, or I use my comb to comb it out, like, I don't get any shedding. So this hair is just, I just love this hair, you guys. So there's some little flyaways here, but nothing that this cannot fix. This is what I use on my hair. and this hair is not dry at all. I did go ahead and do a curling video, and you guys can see that I put a lot of hairspray on that hair, and I still have it in. This hair has not come off my head after I did that video. This is with all of the products in the hair, all the hairspray in the hair, and this hair is still flowy. Like, I just love this hair. The only con that I have, again, it does not hold a curl. But other than that, I absolutely love this hair. I love the parting space. It's a 13x6, as you guys can see. So it does come all the way back here. The frontal is amazing. Me cutting around the ears, like, everything is very snug. I just love this. I love this hair. If you guys are looking for affordable, yet somewhat like high quality hair, definitely pick up this hair. Again, the link will be in the description box down below, so you guys go ahead and check on that video. Stay tuned for more hair videos, more hair tutorials, and coloring videos from me. If you guys like my lashes, I will be soon opening up my lash line. It's called Blinkedminks. I do have an Instagram page. You guys can go ahead and check it out. And you guys will also can also comment down below and let me know what kind of styles you guys like for lashes, so that I can go ahead and get that for you guys. And my website will be up and running soon. I am working towards that. And I do want you guys to be a part of this journey of me starting my lash business, because I do know that that will let me know, actually, my true supporters, and then you guys can get cool discounts, you guys can get free lashes and things like that. So definitely be on this journey with me of me starting my lash business. I will definitely make a video specifically for that. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and of course, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are already subscribed, make sure that you guys turn on your post notification bell, or click the post notification bell, so that you guys will know exactly when I upload every single video, okay? Once again, my ladybugs, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye guys.